day, children. Welcome to Basic 3 Agricultural Science. I remain your teacher, OBK Mata, and our topic today is bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods, which can also be called proteins. Bodybuilding food make our body to grow. Bodybuilding foods make our body to grow. They can also be called proteins. They help to repair damaged parts of our body. Those foods that help us to grow are called bodybuilding foods. There are two sources of bodybuilding foods. There are two sources of bodybuilding food. There are two sources of bodybuilding food. The first one is from animals, and the second one from crops. We can get protein from plants, and we can also get protein from crops. Some of the bodybuilding foods that we can get from animals are meat, fish, milk, and egg. Some of the bodybuilding foods that we can get from animals are meat, fish, egg, and milk. As you can see the picture of fish on the board, the picture of egg and milk. We can get meat from goats, cow, and rabbits. We can get meat from goats, cow, and rabbits. We can get milk from cow. We can get milk from cow. And we can get egg from hen. All these are bodybuilding food we get from animals. Then the next one is bodybuilding food from crops. Some of the bodybuilding foods we can get from crops are beans. We have beans. We have soya bean. And we have groundnuts. We get protein from beans, from soya bean, and from groundnuts. Beans have different colors, and for you to eat your beans, it must be cooked. Beans must be cooked before you eat your beans. See the picture of beans. Then the next one is soya bean. Soya bean contains oil. Soya bean contains oil. It is one of the examples of bodybuilding food. Soya bean contains oil. Then the last one is groundnut. Groundnut is also an example of bodybuilding food. Groundnut contains oil. Children, all these are the examples of bodybuilding food that we can get from crops. We also say that you can get bodybuilding food from animals. We gave example. We may mention about meat, fish, milk, and egg. We get our milk from cow. We get our meat from cow, goats, and rabbits. As you can see the pictures on the board. We also get our egg from hen. All these are sources of bodybuilding food. Children, in our next class, we shall look at another topic on agricultural science. Same station, then of knowledge. Bye.